So once you've logged in, you click on the File Confirmation Statement button. You can watch this demo if you like, but this video should explain it all. So it takes about 5 minutes, and here it tells you exactly what you're going to check to ensure they're up to date, and you also have to pay £13 once a year. So once you're happy with that, scroll down to the bottom, click Start. Just read through the instructions, so ensure you understand that if you're doing it early, then the file confirmation date will change. So I'm doing it early, 7 days early, so therefore it's going to change. It's not a big deal. Need to make sure that did you list the company on the market? If not, more than likely it's going to be a no. Then you click next. If you've listed on the market, you'll know. So next page, check all the information is correct. Registered office hasn't changed. The same directors are on there. No directors have resigned. Check that you haven't started any additional activities. For example, Start Smarter has. We now design websites, so click on that. Scroll down to exactly the most applicable category that will fit for website designing. Now this may take a bit of time to kind of go through the most appropriate one, because there won't be one that says website designing. Instead, you choose one, and then it will give you further 3 or 4 options, sometimes 5 options, to further drill down into that broad category. So here I'm just going to play around to see exactly the most appropriate one. So let's try this one. I can see there those aren't really applicable to website designing. It's not really information technology consulting. It could be that, but let's try to see if there are any other more applicable ones. So I'm going to pick this category, other information technology and services activities, and then add. So now you can see I've got 2 there. Click through to make sure that you've still got the same amount of shares. You don't want to add any more shares. Again, this is likely not to change. Again, check your shareholders the same. Again, if your directors haven't changed, more likely shareholders haven't changed, likely to change. People with significant control, again, this should not change either. That the only person there should be the director, unless there are other people with significant control. And this is where you have to pay the £13 to Companies House, and then you just make payment here. And once you've done this, essentially your confirmation should be sent to your email.